In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in a free Coursera course. Whether you're looking to audit a course, preview it, or enroll without paying for a certificate, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and make sure you get the most out of Coursera's offerings at no cost. To begin your journey on Coursera, you'll need to navigate your way to the right section of the platform where free courses are available. Start by accessing your Coursera dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a menu bar at the top of the page. On this menu, there's an Explore drop-down. Click on this option to reveal a list of categories and options tailored to help you find the courses you're interested in. This area is quite useful if you're not sure where to begin or if you're looking to discover something new. Now, here's the crucial part. In the drop-down from Explore, scroll down towards the bottom. Here you'll find a hyperlink labeled Browse Free Courses. This is your gateway to accessing a range of courses without any cost. Click on this hyperlink and it will redirect you to the page dedicated to free courses offered by Coursera. Once you're on the free courses page, you'll see a wide variety of options available to explore. Coursera offers courses from many reputable institutions, spanning numerous subjects, so take your time to browse through and find the one that piques your interest. The page provides various filtering options, so if you have a specific topic in mind, feel free to use those filters to narrow down your search. When you find a course that captures your attention, click on its title to access more detailed information about it. You'll see a brief description, the syllabus, and other students' reviews. This information can help you decide if the course is what you're looking for, so take a moment to read through it. Once you've decided on a course, you'll see options to enroll. Look for the button that allows you to audit the course for free or enroll without a certificate if that's your preference. Clicking on this option will add the course to your dashboard, and you'll be ready to start learning. Remember, auditing a course allows you to access the course materials without receiving a certificate upon completion. However, it's a fantastic way to learn new skills or acquire knowledge on a topic you're passionate about, all at no cost. And there you have it. You're now set to start your learning journey with Coursera's free offerings. Enjoy exploring new subjects, enhancing your skills, and expanding your knowledge base. Happy learning!